Hello, in this video I'll show you how to add zkSync to MetaMask wallet. Now it's an extremely easy process. So just simply open your browser, go to your MetaMask, and then just simply log into your MetaMask account. After that, just simply click on the network option right over here. Then click on add network. Now a new page will appear, so wait for a few seconds. And right over here, just simply search for zkSync if it is available or not. Now, if you're unable to find zkSync right over here, just simply search for the zkSync network somewhere else. But as you can see, right over here, I can see zkSync network. So all you have to do is click on add and then click on approve. That will add zkSync. Now, in some case, if you're unable to find zkSync in that particular panel, all you have to do is just simply go to a new tab, search for zkSync network. Then just simply open the first page. And then right over here, you should find the information about zkSync. So just simply scroll down a little bit. And then you should be able to find the zkSync network and all the relevant details. Then all you have to do is just simply add it manually and you're good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.